So here's how you can empty the iPad storage. Let me talk about it, and if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so that way you'll never miss anything important. Well, of course, it depends if you just want to delete some things or completely empty the iPad. If you want to go with the complete approach, just open up the settings, tap on the general, and at the bottom you have transfer or reset iPad menu where you can locate the erase all content and settings. And when you tap on this and go through all of the steps and verifications which are a part of this, your iPad will basically be wiped clean. There is not going to be anything left and it's going to behave like a brand new iPad. So that's good if you want to sell the iPad or give it away to someone or whatever, and you want to get rid of all of your personal data here. But if you just want to manage the storage and like empty some of the things which are cluttering up the storage, just go to the settings and tap on the general again and find the iPad storage. It's gonna load up for a while and you'll see the breakdown of what is taking up that much storage. So for most people, it's gonna be apps and photos and some random things as well, and you can manage it below. So for example, I can notice that some random video editor, which I haven't used for a while, is taking up a lot of storage, so I can tap on it and delete it fully, right? And that's kind of how I can free up the storage and empty the iPad. And you can go one by one. Obviously, you have the photos and you can manage your photos in here. You also have some tips like to empty the recently deleted folder within the photos and so on, right? So you just have to go one by one and decide what you want to keep on the iPad and what you want to get rid of. For the photos, a lot of people don't want to just delete them because, you would lose the access. And instead, it would make sense to back up the photos somewhere else. So you can either enable the iCloud backup by, in the settings, go to your profile, iCloud, and the photos, or Google Photos would work too, or even a third-party external storage like I do in here. Like, I just connected with a cable and back up all of my photos in here, and then I can delete them from the storage of the iPad to free up some space. So let me know what the purpose was behind your actions. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.